Yep, there it is. I cut the hell out of that finger. But other than that, it was lit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rhiana. If you aren't already, subscribe. Like the video one time, even though you don't know if you're gonna like it or not. Just like it one time. I promise you're gonna like it. Today I'm gonna be a cheater. I'm cheating on my nail tech. Quarantine got me feeling all types of ugly. I'm tired of the nubs. So today I'm going to do my own gel set at home. If you want to see how that turned out, keep watching. But before that, I will let you know that I did text my nail tech and let her know that I will be cheating on her. And I'm gonna insert her reply of the whole conversation. I had to cheat, boo-boo. Nothing but love, girl, but like quarantine got me feeling all types of ugly, so. But you know, once a cheater, not always a cheater, okay? I could come back, I could redeem myself. Just right now, this is what I need. I need some me time. Disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I was learning myself throughout. I watched 1,010,000 videos, but like I was still learning throughout it. But if you want to see the hilarity that is me doing my nails for 4.5 hours, keep watching. Hey, so now we're super close to my nails. I already did the right hand. Now we're gonna do the left. She's looking a little bare. So first I'm just gonna start by taking off all the shine off my nails. Really important for having the nails stick on. Those are the tips. And also I saved all my nail sizes on my phone. And I think that's a really good tip because then I could like always refer back and be like, okay, I know for a fact, like my thumb's a 8 or whatever the freaking size is. Then I'm just gonna size them out, make sure to double check. Then I'm just gonna use a really good glue. I got this off Amazon, super awesome. Got like 10 of them for 10 bucks, super cheap too. And just glue all the nails on. Then you're gonna end up with something like that. Then I'm just gonna go in with this nail cutter and just cut all the length off to make sure they match the other guy, but also making sure they're a little bit longer than the other side because I will obviously be filing them and all that, so I don't want them to be too short. Then I'm gonna go with the tiny little scissors just to shape up the sides. I wanted a square shape, even though I normally do coffin. So I just cut off a little bit, not too narrow, but next time I'm definitely doing coffin because the square life is not for me. But you live and you learn, right? Then I'm just kind of fixing up the sidewalls of the nail and just kind of making sure that it's really connecting to my nail and it's not like a weird lump or anything. And also I'm making sure that the tops of the nails, like that little ridge between where my nail starts and where the tip ends or whatever, like you want to make sure that is good. Then this product here is from Gelish. It's a pH bonder. It's a dehydrator, so it's going to make sure your nail has like dehydration. I don't know, it takes off oil and stuff. You put that on your natural nail. Then this is the Gelish foundation. I put this on. This stuff is really gonna give you like a nice tack and a nice in-between, like I guess like primer base. And you put a really thin layer of this on your nail and the tips, and you also cure that for 10 to 20 seconds. So that's why I'm cleaning up the sides because I don't want to cure it on my skin. This is the Gelish Hard Gel Balm. These Walmart brushes I got for $3 for a pack of 7. Lit. So now I'm just gonna start putting the gel on each of my fingers. So I always started like near like the apex of my fingers to really make sure that the strength was there with the nails, and also because that's where you want like the curve or whatever, that's the apex, that's where you want that to be. So I'm just really building up that area, and I'm really just letting the gel do its own thing, kind of drip down the nail. So that's kind of what like one layer looks like. I did 3 layers per nail, by the way. So this process, you have to make sure like you're curing in between each layer. I cured for 60 seconds a nail. This took forever. The curing, the shaping, this took forever.
Eventually.
Then you got that. Gross. Now you need some alcohol just to clear off the stickiness off the top because now we're gonna be filing for literally 10,000 years. Like no joke, filing forever. So I'm just using the hand file just to get the shape. This is where I cut my finger, y'all. A mess. But yeah, just really making sure it's nice and separated from my nail, like my finger, sorry. That got annoying, so I used the e-file. This, I went ham. I felt like a nail tech. I was living my best life at this point. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Dust flying. This took forever.
One eternity later.
Went back in a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? And also a little bit more of the hand filing. Forever.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So now it's time to dust off the nail. Okay, I'm like, all right, I'm feeling this, but the cuticles need some love. So then I hopped in with the cuticle bit. I got so addicted to this e-file, y'all. It was addictive. It was so fun. Bam, finally done. Brushed off the dust one last time, I promise. Then I buffed. Buffing is super important because it gets rid of all the scratches. So when you put the nail polish on or whatever you want to put on after, you don't see the scratches. So I got this little buffer thing from Walmart. Now I'm making sure all the sizes are the same. Oh, she wasn't. So this is the glitter here, also from Amazon. I did 2 accent nails per hand, and honestly, glitter saves everything. Everything. Glitter's bomb. And so that since the gel had like its own color to it, I just added top coat to those nails and then top coat to the glitter nails after, and that was it. These are the finished nails. I'm really vibing with them. Like, look how cute they are. Ew, look at them. Y'all, I don't want to toot my own horn, but toot, because I did that. Like, mind you, I would not pay anyone for these. Like, these would definitely have to be a complimentary set, but they look bomb. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed the file. I felt like a tech. I was like, zoom, 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 zoom. I felt so lit. So if you guys are liking videos like these, I have more coming your way. The Quarantine Cutie series. We're trying to get cute, ladies. We ain't trying to be looking busted, dusted, crust no more. I promise you, we're gonna get cute. So yeah, if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.